Good morning students, this is your English book. Today we will learn page number 17, words with SH sounds. Today we will learn SH sound. This one your new topic. Speak बच्चे SHEEP sheep, SHEEP sheep, SHIP ship, SHIP ship, DISH dish, DISH dish, FISH fish, FISH fish. Now this side SHADE shade, SHADE shade, SHOP shop, SHOP shop, SHIRT shirt, SHIRT shirt, SHED shed, SHED shed, SHEEP sheep, SHEEP sheep. Next SHOOT shoot, SHOOT shoot, SHOE shoe, SHOE shoe, SHIRT shirt, SHIRT shirt, SHAKE shake, SHAKE shake. Next CASH cash, CASH cash, FRESH fresh, FRESH fresh, WASH wash, WASH wash. Next BUSH bush, BUSH bush, RASH rash, RASH rash, DASH dash, DASH dash, WISH wish, WISH wish, PUSH push, PUSH push, HUSH hush, HUSH hush. Thank you students.